Resolution also asked the ICJ to answer the question of how do the policies and practices of Israel affect the legal status of the occupation and what the legal consequences are that arise from that status for all states and the United Nations. The GA resolution that requested the court's opinion received 87 votes in favour, while Israel and the United States were joined by 24 countries in seeking to block its passage, voting against the measure, while 53 countries abstained. The same resolution also demanded that Israel, as the occupying power, cease all measures contrary to international law and comply with its legal obligations in that regard, including ceasing all its settlement activities and other measures aimed at altering the status of the OPT. The same court is also weighing the case brought by South Africa, accusing Israel of violating its obligations under the Genocide Convention in the conduct of its ongoing war in Gaza that has killed more than 38,000 people and injured over 80,000, with the UN estimating that some 17,000 children in Gaza are unaccompanied in the enclave. The court has handed down several provisional measures in that regard, while it weighs the broader question of whether Israel's conduct during the war amounts to genocide against the Palestinian people as a group. The ICJ also ruled in 2004 that Israel's separation barrier or wall in the West Bank was illegal and should be dismantled, a ruling that Israel has rejected while extending the very barrier that the court found to be illegal. The ICJ does not have an enforcement mechanism to its rulings, leaving that to a divided Security Council, often hamstrung by its inability to reach consensus, often due to the use of the veto by those select powers afforded such a mechanism. Shervin Bryceby's SABC News.